9 steps to make money on YouTube. Hey, are you trying to figure out how to make money on YouTube? Well, in this video I'm going to give you the 9 steps that you're going to need to make money on YouTube, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. If you're new to my channel, only thing we talk about here is how to start, run, and grow online businesses. Now, I've been selling online since 2009, and I've sold millions of dollars worth of digital and physical products. And on this channel, I just share with you the things that have worked for me so that you can get good results too. Now, do me a favor. If you've tried to start an online business, put a comment below, or if you have a successful one, put a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're doing and what's worked for you and what hasn't worked for you. Don't forget, I want you to join the Fisher family. How do you do that? You hit the subscribe button right here, right below me, right there. Hit that subscribe button. Now next to it, there's going to be a bell. You want to click that bell, and then you want to turn on all notifications. What that will do is allow YouTube to tell you about every single new video I get, and that way you don't miss out. I also want to give you a free gift for staying to the end of the video. It's a $97 e-commerce course that you can get absolutely free by clicking the link in the description. Okay, now let's get on with the 9 steps to making money on YouTube. I think most people get the wrong impression about the way to make money on YouTube, and I think they get the wrong impression because the people who are making money on YouTube don't really readily share how they're doing it. Now, I don't know if they want to keep those secrets to themselves or what it is, but we're going to share them in this video. And the other reason I think maybe they don't share how they make money on YouTube is they're almost a little embarrassed about how much money they do make. A lot of money can be made on YouTube, but it's a lot of work, but the payoff is very great. So let's get right into the 9 ways that you can make money on YouTube. Now, the number one thing I think we all hear about is you get more views, you make more money. Now, what that is actually is YouTube running ads on your videos, and this certainly can be an income source, but it won't be your income source in the beginning, and it shouldn't be your goal in the beginning, because first off, there's a couple qualifications. The first qualification is you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time on your videos within the previous 12 months to even qualify. So if you don't have 4,000, and it's hard to get 4,000 hours if you don't have hundreds and hundreds of videos. So that's the first qualification. The second qualification is you have to have 1,000 subscribers. Now, to get subscribers, that takes time too. So to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers, that's a really tough thing to do. Now, here's the good part about all this is that the top YouTubers will tell you that only 3% of their income comes from views. It actually comes from other items that they do on YouTube that make them money. Okay, so here's how we really make money on YouTube. The way we really make money on YouTube is have somebody watch our video, okay, and once they've watched that video, they want more of what we've got. Now, number 2, another great way to make money on YouTube is to give away free courses. You say, wait a second, give away free courses? Yeah, you remember in the beginning I said you could get my free course, my $97 e-commerce course. Now, why would I do that? Why would I give away a free course? Because what you're going to do is you're going to give me your name and email, and I will give you some free content, and I will also market other products and services I have to you, okay? And a portion of you guys will actually buy it, and I'll make money. So the number 2 way is to give away a free course. Number 3 way is PDF downloads. What's a PDF download? A PDF is just a Word doc that you saved as a PDF so it can't be changed, and it could be a list of 10 ways to do something, or 5 things for a guide, or a 10-step method to whatever. And when people opt in for that, and you put the link in your description below, just like I will for my course, they will opt in, and you'll get a name and an email, and you can market your services and products to those particular people. Number 4 is going to be through ebooks. Ebooks are awesome. They're small, they're easily consumable, and what you can do in your video is let them know that you're going to give away a free ebook. To get that free ebook, there's going to be a link in the description. They're going to click in it, and they're going to need to opt in to get this particular ebook. Ebooks can be as short or as long as you want, but generally they're more on the short side, maybe 20 to 40 pages, and this will give that particular person more information, more good content, and they sell them a little bit more on you, and it enables you, once again, you've got their name and email, to market to them your other products and services. Number 5 is checklists. I love checklists. As a matter of fact, I downloaded one yesterday at a meeting I was at for YouTube, and they had a checklist that I could opt into. So I got that checklist, and that checklist will help me with making videos because that's what it was about. And they had that at their particular meeting, but you can do the same thing in your description. Put your checklist. It could be a checklist of things to look for in ingredients and foods when you go shopping. If you're health conscious, it could be 5 things that you need to do to, you know, grow your plants in your house. Whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. The point is, it's a checklist, and a certain portion of the people that watch your videos will download that checklist, and it puts them on your list. Once again, you can market your products and services to those people. Number 6 is guides. Okay, this can be a guide to just about anything. It can be a guide to food storage. It can be a guide to cooking recipes. It can be a guide to hunting, camping, fishing, whatever you want. People love guides, and that keyword guide means a lot to them because it's going to actually walk them through whatever they want to learn. Once again, we put a link in our description, let them know about it in the video. Once they download it, we can then market to those people. Number 7 is click to my site. Now, I don't like this one as much. However, it does build traffic, and it will build traffic for you too. Basically, all you do is you say, if you want more information on this particular subject, or if you want to get whatever, go into the description and there's a link to my actual site, and you can visit my website and see all my products and services. Number 8 would be emails. Now, I've already mentioned this a couple times, but once you've got people's emails, you can email them about your digital products or courses. Maybe you have a more in-depth course, you gave them a free course, and you have a more in-depth one, so you email them about that. And then number 9 is going to be follow-up emails with physical products. So you can actually sell physical products to people. You'll notice on YouTube, you will see people selling t-shirts all the time, or mugs, or hats, or caps, or whatever. Now, to qualify to have that banner of all that information on your channel, you have to have thousands of subscribers to do that. But you could put a link in your description that says, if you want to get t-shirts, hats, you know, caps, mugs, whatever you want, I put a link in the description. You can click there and go get those products. You can also email them, like I said, email them the information about it and sell them the products to the email that you already got from one of the other downloads. Number 10 is to send follow-up emails about coaching. Now, a lot of people love to have one-on-one coaching, and a lot of money's made in coaching. I've done some coaching myself too, and I've charged some pretty high rates for doing that. But coaching is great if you have expertise in a particular area. Once you've got their email, you can send them emails and they can apply for your coaching. Now, you can also have a link down there where they can actually apply for your coaching in the description, so you don't have to go through the email step if you don't want to. And number 11 is the last one. Is it the only one? No, there's 10 more before that. And number 11 is what? Number 11 is running ads direct to your videos. YouTube will allow you to run ads in Google Ads and actually put your video as the actual spot that they're going to go to. So maybe you have a link at the top, maybe they're searchable ads, maybe they're in-stream ads, maybe they're banner ads, but you can actually run ads to your actual videos. And some of these videos you can actually sell them something or just build up traffic for your site, either way you want to do it. So running ads to your videos will build more traffic to your site, and you can also send them to a video where you're actually selling something in the video, and the product can be sold at the very end by clicking a link in the description. Usually these ads that you're going to be running to your videos are going to be unlisted videos, so the only way they're going to see them is if you're actually putting them in an ad. Now, one thing I will add to this is, if you're running ads to videos, make sure all your videos are on a separate channel from your main channel, because what happens on ads is they're generally a lot shorter, sometimes only 2 minutes, and if you're running a lot of ads to short 2-minute videos, then it's going to drive down your watch time on that channel. And your main channel, you want to have as much watch time as possible. If it's an ad channel, you don't really care about that because you're just running ads on it. So make sure that you separate those videos that you're running ads to from your channel to a separate channel, and you can have as many channels as you want, so that's really simple to do. Now, for all these methods to work, here's the truth: you got to have good videos. Okay, good videos are super important. You don't have to have the best video, you don't have to have the best equipment, you don't have to have a studio or anything like that, but they've got to be good. So I made a list of the things I think you should have in your video. Number 1, you got to provide real value. Okay, so your video should actually help somebody out. When they get to the end of that video, they should say, well, I learned this thing, or now I know this, or now I know not to do this. Make sure your videos are doing that. Number 2, be organized in your videos and your thoughts. Don't just put a camera in front of you and have no plan of action and just ramble on and talk. And I know a lot of us think, well, we can just do that because I have a ton of knowledge and I can just talk. But the thing is, it won't be organized, it won't sound organized, and it'll be really hard for the viewer to actually follow. Number 3, have good lighting. Good lighting is essential, and when I say good lighting, that just means lots of it. Now, if you're going to film indoors, like right now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights on, and it doesn't even look that bright. 7 lights. I forgot to count that one. So we've got a lot of lights on, but it doesn't look that bright. But if you're filming outdoors, it's a whole lot easier to do it. If you do it early morning, you do it late afternoon, you're going to have enough light. If you have to do it indoors, get by a window that you have some good light coming in, and if you can supplement that light, that's super important. So lighting is super important. Number 4 is have good sound. Now, people will watch a video that's not a great video as far as visually appealing, but they will not watch a video that is bad audio. They just won't do it. If you have bad audio, you're going to have a problem. So what I would tell you is, if you don't have a big budget in the beginning, you can use your iPhone and all that, but make sure you film close up, because that microphone will pick up all the sound. If you get far away from your iPhone, the actual microphone will pick up sound from everywhere. So it's not going to just pick up your voice, it'll pick out any ambient sound around there, and the sound's going to sound very echoey, and it's not going to be good. So if you're going to film further away, you're going to need an external microphone, and until you can invest in that, just do close-up videos. Number 5, you're going to need to upload on a regular basis. Okay, I was at a meeting last night, and there was a gentleman there, and he said he started a YouTube channel, and that he's been on YouTube for 3 months, which is great. 3 months, that's awesome. And his first video he uploaded 3 months ago, and that's awesome. That's really good. And when he was asked when he uploaded his next video, he said 1 month ago. He says, well, how many videos have you uploaded in 3 months? He said 2. So first off, you know, he didn't have any kind of schedule whatsoever. The next thing I'll tell you, number 6, is upload on a regular schedule. So 2 videos in 3 months will never grow him a channel. It's not going to happen. YouTube videos takes a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of planning. It also takes a lot of videos. So to grow a channel, you're going to have to do a lot of videos, unless you're just an incredible video editor and you're so dynamic and you have such a personality that people hang on your next video, which is very rare. You're going to need to upload on a regular basis, and I would say at least once a week to really get any traction whatsoever. Now, the last thing on my list, number 7, is I would tell you to have at least 10 to 14 minute videos. Some can be longer, some can be shorter, but here's why that time is so very important. The number 1 way that YouTube makes money is through ads, and they put ads on your videos, and they can put up to 4 ads on a single video. But to do that, to get the 4 ads on a single video, they need at least 10 minutes of video. So if you're recording videos that are 2 or 3 minutes long, and I know I did this in the beginning, I didn't know any better, then they can't run ads on those videos, and they're going to be less apt to show them, because their whole goal is to make money. But if you've got 10 to 14 minute videos, you've already gotten over one of the hurdles, which is you have the video that's long enough. Okay, so if you've done all the other things, you've got good content, good lighting, good sound, and your video's long enough, then you're going to stand a better chance of people seeing your videos. If they see your videos, they're going to be more likely to watch them. If they watch them, they're going to be more likely to subscribe, and you'll grow your channel. Okay, so that pretty much covers the ways to make money on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've got some enlightenment. A lot of people don't know there's all these different ways to make money on YouTube. If you did like it, click that like button below, and my gosh, join the Fisher family. There's a subscribe button down there. Click that button and ring the bell. There's a bell right next to the subscribe button. If you click that bell, it's going to open up, and you want to click show all notifications. If you do that, every time I shoot a video, you will be notified. You will be that VIP group of people that are in the Fisher family that know about those videos before anybody else. Pretty cool stuff. Now, if you've tried to do videos on YouTube and you tried to make some money on YouTube, I want to hear your comments below. What were your results? Did you do well? Did you not do well? What happened exactly when you tried to do your videos? Do you have questions about making money on YouTube? Put those comments below. I would love to see them. Now, I also mentioned a free course, and I'm going to give it to you right now. If you look down in the description, there's my free e-commerce course worth $97, and you can grab it right now just by clicking the link. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.